In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make a scarf with a hood attached. It's also completely reversible, so you can wear a different color depending on the day in your outfit. I made this pattern so it could work with 1 yard remnants of fabric. It's also a super simple project that you can finish in 1 to 2 hours, even if you're just a beginner. You can download the pattern if you follow the link in the description below. It's completely free. You don't even have to give me your email address or anything. So with the pattern that I made, you're cutting 4 pattern pieces. So you're cutting 2 pieces of your first color and 2 pieces of your second color. Sew each of the same color hood pieces with right sides together down to the dot on the pattern. And then you're going to press that seam open. Now you're going to sew the hood and the contrast hood color together. So place the 2 hood scarves with right sides together and pin them all along the perimeter and sew the scarf. Make sure to pivot the needle right at the seam in the back of the hood pieces. And you want to leave a small gap at one of the sides just so that you can turn it to the right side later. Now you want to clip all of your corners. Make sure you clip as close to the stitching as you can without cutting the stitches. Then you want to turn the scarf to the right side through that little gap that you left. And then you want to press the seam. Now you want to top stitch all around the perimeter of the hood scarf. So use matching thread, one color as the top thread and the other color as the bottom thread, and top stitch all the way around the perimeter of the scarf, about 1/4 inch in. This will also close up the small gap in the scarf. And that's it, you finished. You now have a super simple hood scarf that's also completely reversible.